DS Smith, Tilburg, is part of the worldwide DS Smith Group, a leader in the European corrugated board packaging industry. We are located in the south of the Netherlands, in the logistic heart of Europe, with excellent road, rail and water networks, and close to the harbours of Rotterdam and Antwerp. With over 50 years of experience in developing and producing heavy-duty corrugated-based packaging solutions, we are your stable partner that will deliver your specific packaging needs, anytime, anywhere. Our design team, supported by our in-house R&D team, is able to develop, together with you, solutions for your worldwide export packaging needs in the challenging international supply chain. Our heavy-duty knowledge center will be more than happy to share our expertise with you by inviting you to our technical seminars and workshops. Within our network, we offer you an amazing range of packaging materials and all related services. Starting from your products and business needs and requirements, we create your tailor-made packaging solution, perfectly suited for your specific business and product, with a total supply cycle in mind. The pack, mechanization, loading security and waste collection. We take away your worries and optimize your resources, time spent and energy needed, simplifying your life and maximizing your performance. This is what we call easy packaging. We specialize in export packaging solutions, supported by high-quality wet-strength kraft liners and wet-strength glues. Our strong double and triple wall corrugated board packs will ship your product safely, allowing up to 1,500 kilos of load per packaging unit. Our strength in packaging is always designed to your specific supply chain needs, assuring optimal and sustainable solutions. The unique packaging knowledge and experience, coupled to the use of high-quality materials and state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, makes us your reliable partner. We deliver what we promise, both on performance and on quality of service. The DS Smith network provides to you security of supply through a focused and stable business. So join us at DS Smith Tilburg and let us lighten your load by being your strong, reliable and easy partner when it comes to heavy-duty packaging. As supply cycle strategist, we will ensure you are getting the most sustainable packaging solution you can get. This is the power of less.